Increased airflow improves heating, cooling efficiency. Helps control odors. Treated to help prevent bad odors. Dirty disposable cabin filters can cause a musty smell in your car's interior. Save money. Washable product that lasts. Easy to install. Pre-treated and ready to drop into your factory airbox. Typically installs in less than 5 minutes with no tools required. Washable and reusable. Engineered to last for the life of your vehicle. Eco-friendly. Using a washable, reusable product reduces landfill waste from disposable filters. More than 100 million disposable air filters end up in landfills each year. No hassle warranty, 10-year, million-mile limited warranty. Compatible with long-lasting performance and quality. KN's line of washable replacement cabin air filters are designed to filter your incoming air using state-of-the-art filtration technology, protecting your vehicle's occupants, interior, and HVAC system from impurities and unpleasant odors. Engineered to be washable, reusable, and durable, this cabin filter is designed to last for the entire lifespan of your vehicle. Compatible with 2013, 2019, Mazda 6, 2013, 2018, Mazda 3, 2012 to 2018 Mazda CX-5. Top reviews from the United States. Exceeds expectations. This product is great. It allows the interior air to flow much better than the OE filter in addition to being a long-term solution that can be cleaned as needed. I can feel the air blowing into the back seats now where I could not before.